My name is Martin Pring.
Greg Morris.
My name is Mark Liebovitz.
Okay, I'm Price Headley.
I'm Stephen Cooper.
My name is Kevin Nelson.
I'm the founder of BigTrends.com. I've been trading for a little over 20 years.
I've written 18 books. I publish a monthly newsletter and a weekly info movie report.
I'm the chief technical analyst and the chairman of the investment committee at Stadion Money Management.
And I started off in the financial industry back as a stockbroker back in 1987.
I'm the founder of OnlineOption.com. We're a membership trading site.
I'm the editor-publisher and chief market strategist for VRTrader.com and the Liebovitz VR Gold Letter.
Since the early 1990s.
27 years.
I've been using MetaStock for in the neighborhood of about 6 or 7 years.
Full-time for the last year to 2 years.
I've been using MetaStock since the 1980s.
What I like about MetaStock, and I think what initially attracted me to it, is the ease of creating watch lists and then being able to go through them very, very rapidly. Before I was using a very ponderous method, and it took me a long time to do my evening studies. Now I can do it in a matter of minutes.
Well, the formula language, because I can whip something out fairly quick in it and visually see it. I like that. I like the ability to color code price charts with experts based on certain conditions so that you're not really looking at an indicator, you're just changing the color of the line for the prices. I really like that feature. And then the Explorer, like if you're doing candle pattern analysis, you can narrow it down, and you can take your, say you have S&P 500 database, you can narrow it down to all the stocks that have had a recent bullish or bearish candle pattern. So the Explorer is very nice.
I tell you what I do like in particular, now thinking out loud, is the ability to almost access almost any stock in the world. Many platforms don't allow that. I literally can pick the country and get the stock, and that's useful for me, particularly when I get calls from clients saying, hey, you check this little small Canadian stock out, which I never would have tracked, but I can pull it up on the screen, so that really is a powerful function.
Well, there's a lot of different features that I think are extremely important, but hands down, in my opinion, the power tools. And probably my favorite power tool is the Explorer, just for the reason being that it gives you the ability to go out and scan on just about any type of technical criteria you can imagine.
I like two things. One is the electronic chart book feature, which you call layouts, where I can create lots of different charts on lots of different things, contain it in one file, and with one click I can bring all that stuff up. The second thing I like is the ability to create my own indicators.
My favorite features of MetaStock, well, I'm biased there because, of course, I have my Big Trends toolkit, and I use all my indicators in MetaStock and can custom code them for both intraday, daily, and longer-term charts. So we literally have multiple time frame analysis setups on MetaStock. So we can have multiple windows open, and we can be running those scans across the different time frames, especially daily and weekly. So I like to look at those time frames for the bigger picture trends, and then for shorter term trends I can say, okay, once I have the bigger picture buy signal, where do you get short-term buys on the intraday chart as well?
Well, it's got an incredibly friendly user interface. It looks a little intimidating for the first-time user, I'm sure, but everything is logically and sequentially arranged, and you can do just about anything you want to in the world of charting with MetaStock.
You can pretty much use it however you like. No matter what your trading style is, you'll find something in MetaStock that'll help you analyze the markets better.
It's a very versatile program. I don't use all the functions and power of MetaStock. I have other friends and those who are very close to it who show me all kinds of tricks and things you can do with it. I'm always of the view that best indicators are simple, and using a simple set of tools is the way to look at the market.
Well, it's a very comprehensive set of indicators and systems, and I love the fact that you've got the very specific buy and sell arrows where you know exactly what you need to do. It makes your job a lot easier to execute a system than it does to always be worried about whether you're right or wrong. So you can just follow your system and let the system do the work for you, and you just have to pull the trigger when you get those new buy and sells.
And why would you recommend MetaStock to others?
For all those reasons.